Karma Guy here. Check out the 2002 Lexus LX 470 Sport Utility, the perfect mix of luxury, reliability, and peace of mind. This Lexus comes with a clean Carfax, dealer service history, current GA emissions, and original books. It's also dealer certified pre-owned with a Quality Plus warranty, 3 months/3, 000 miles, plus a 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. We always encourage a pre-purchase inspection. Remember, price reductions void certification and warranty. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Drive home the best today.